Hi everyone, it's Alex from Risk Academy. I haven't done this video yet this year, and I wanted to take this opportunity while I'm at the Archer US Summit. I want to take this opportunity and kind of continue the learning exercise, continue the learning journey, and remind everybody and invite everybody to the Risk Awareness Week. It's happening this October, just like every October for the last 3 years. It's happening from 17th to 21st of October. 5 days. Each day has a separate theme. For example, day 1 is all about risk management 1 and risk management 2. How do you make the transition? Why do you need to make the transition? Why do we need to stop seeing corporate risk management as a governance exercise designed for reporting purposes, and we need to start seeing as a decision support tool, and that requires very different methodologies, very different approaches, and different timing, different skill sets. So a lot about that. And then day 1 is all about risk identification on the psychological kind of neuroscientific side of it. Biases, heuristics, how do they affect the quality of risk identification, and why humans have not been designed to see new risks, especially the risks that they don't yet well understand. And day 3 is all about quantitative risk models, and again, as is common with Risk Awareness Week, no hypothetical conversations, literally showing the models, showing simulations, running some code, showing how it's done, illustrating how it's done to support the decisions in your organization. Day 4 is about mitigation and measuring and quantitatively showing how different mitigation strategies reduce the overall risk profile, building business cases for justifying different mitigations, and so on. And day 5 is all about monitoring and reporting. How do you communicate risk information to decision makers so they buy into it and they use it and don't ignore it, they don't feel threatened, and so on. So it will be a very, very exciting event. It's happening live in European time zone, so Asia can catch it, and US can catch kind of a small part of it because it will be early morning, and it will be available in replay forever. So that's not a problem. As of my recording right now, I think almost 2,000 people have registered. So I would love to see you there as well. Thank you and goodbye. And write below the video what do you want to talk about or see at the Risk Awareness Week. Maybe we can still slot it into the program. Thank you, and I'll see you there. I'll see you in October, 17 to 21 of October, and the website is, like every year, 2022.riskawarenessweek.com. See you there.